Okay, we're gonna install a new nuke into our box. And I've taken the 5 frames out so that we'll just be bringing in 5 frames from the current nuke. So we're gonna get this together in just a minute. Yes, the girls are in the back of the car in the trunk. And well, the last time I did that, they were not very happy. Don't know what's gonna happen this time. Probably also not very happy. But we're getting our bee suit on, and we will bring in the girls in just a moment. Okay, this is the nuke box. We didn't lose any in transport. I can hear them in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get these ready to go in. And there they are. Wow. Probably gonna need a smoker for this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the same order that they're in here in the hive. Okay. Now we're going to give them a little bit more. Down into your new home. Let go. Again, probably not the happiest right now. Move you off. And make sure we can pull this next frame, and then we're going to go with it. Okay, here we go. Into your new home. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Into your new home. I'm trying to be gentle with them, as gentle as one can be. We want them to be happy. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna go in with the last one, and we want it to just slide right in. Usually if I have a problem, this is where it is. So let's move it away from the edge here. All right, let's take you in. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the top of these real quick. We don't want crazy comb developing. If we can stop it. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and take these guys. Okay, and still have quite a few in here. So I'm gonna put them in front of the hive opening here. Okay, now I'm going to put my cover on. There we go. And now I'm going to put the lid on. That's not on right. Okay. Nope. Okay, now, the other thing I have to check is the front of the hive to make sure that they have enough to come in and out, and they do. And now, we're going to leave them alone. Let's see if we can encourage a few of them to come out. We don't want the queen in here. Probably going to get myself stung doing this. I just want to encourage them to come out. Okay, let's give it a few minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this closer to the entrance. Well, that was closer. Closer to the entrance. I'm going to take you for a different angle. There we go. Now you can see them. All right, so I'm going to let this video run for a little while and we'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll get a different angle still. It would be nice to be able to see that box. There we go. Maybe there we go. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna leave this out here for a while and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna get out of the bee suit and hopefully I won't have to put it on again today. All right, here we go.